Meet Fairmate, an Indian multinational company that has made its mark in the realm of construction chemicals. Their dedication to offering affordable solutions and top-notch services has garnered them a strong global presence.
Fairmate introduces Flowgrout 60. It is a single-pack ready-to-use, ultra-high-strength, free-flowing, non-shrink grout supplied as ready-to-use material requiring addition of precise quantity of water at site, 4.75 liter for 25 kg grout. Flowgrout 60 is suitable for gap widths between 10 mm, 50 mm. Flowgrout 60 is suitable for bowl pockets and base plate grouting of all equipment, crane, stanchion bases, and all types of machinery with dynamic load. Advantages of Flowgrout 60. Prepacked, factory-controlled consistent material needing only addition of water. Shrinkage offset by expansion to ensure original volume is retained. Free-flowing, self-leveling grout. Holds up to industrial machinery vibration and impact. Extended work time for easy placement. For more information about product, please call toll-free 18 1,234,534 or visit us at www.fairmate.com.